Are you looking for small wood furniture ideas and mini woodworking projects ideas you can make for profit and home decor? Engaging in small wood furniture and mini woodworking projects offers a wealth of benefits for both personal enjoyment and potential profit. In recent years, there has been a growing interest in handmade items, particularly those that are crafted from wood. This trend has opened up numerous opportunities for individuals to create unique pieces that not only enhance home decor, but also provide a source of income. The appeal of small wood projects lies in their accessibility, versatility, and the satisfaction derived from crafting something meaningful. One of the primary benefits of creating small wood furniture and decor is the opportunity for creativity and self-expression. Working with wood allows individuals to explore their artistic inclinations, experiment with designs, and develop their own distinct style. Each project presents a canvas for personal expression, whether it's through the choice of wood type, finish, or design elements. This creative process is both fulfilling and empowering, as it enables artisans to see their visions come to life. The joy of creating something unique fosters a sense of pride and accomplishment, making each piece a reflection of the maker's personality. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of small wood furniture ideas and mini woodworking projects ideas for profit and home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, small woodworking projects are often more manageable for beginners and those with limited space. Unlike larger furniture pieces that require extensive tools and space, small projects can often be completed with basic equipment and a small work area. This accessibility lowers the barrier to entry, inviting more individuals to explore woodworking as a hobby or potential business. The ease of starting with small projects encourages experimentation and learning, allowing individuals to develop their skills and confidence before tackling larger, more complex endeavors. The versatility of small wood furniture and decor is another significant advantage. These projects can serve a variety of purposes, enhancing various areas of the home while also appealing to different tastes and styles. From decorative items like picture frames and candle holders to functional pieces such as small shelves and tables, the possibilities are virtually endless. This adaptability makes it easy to create items that fit seamlessly into existing home decor, offering homeowners the chance to personalize their spaces in unique ways. Additionally, the ability to customize pieces to align with current design trends or individual preferences enhances their appeal, making them attractive to potential buyers. The potential for profit through small woodworking projects is a significant motivator for many artisans. As the demand for handmade and unique items continues to grow, individuals can leverage their skills to create products for sale at craft fairs, online marketplaces, or local stores. The affordability of materials for small projects often allows for a favorable profit margin, especially when selling directly to consumers. This entrepreneurial aspect of woodworking provides individuals with the opportunity to turn a passion into a viable business, generating income while doing something they love. Creating small wood furniture and decor also fosters a sense of community among artisans and consumers. Many woodworkers engage with others in local crafting groups or online forums, sharing their experiences, techniques, and successes. This sense of camaraderie encourages collaboration and support, as individuals can learn from one another and celebrate each other's achievements. The community aspect of woodworking enriches the experience, providing a network of like-minded individuals who are passionate about their craft. This shared enthusiasm can lead to valuable friendships and connections, enhancing the overall experience of creating and selling wood products. Furthermore, the act of crafting small wood items can be incredibly therapeutic. The tactile nature of working with wood combined with the focus required to complete a project can serve as a form of mindfulness. Engaging in hands-on activities has been shown to reduce stress and promote mental well-being. As individuals immerse themselves in the creative process, they often find solace and relaxation, allowing them to disconnect from daily pressures and immerse themselves in the present moment. This therapeutic quality not only enhances the enjoyment of woodworking, but also contributes to overall emotional health. In addition, small woodworking projects can serve as a means of giving back to the community. Many artisans choose to donate a portion of their creations to charitable causes, such as schools, shelters, or local organizations. This commitment to social responsibility enhances the overall impact of their work as they use their skills to make a positive difference in the lives of others. The act of giving fosters a sense of fulfillment and purpose as artisans see the tangible benefits of their creations in the community. The process of creating small wood furniture also instills a deeper appreciation for craftsmanship and the value of handmade goods. In a world where mass production often dominates, the artistry involved in crafting unique pieces stands out. Each item reflects the time, effort, and dedication of the maker, fostering a respect for quality and authenticity. This appreciation can influence consumer behavior, as individuals increasingly seek out handmade items that resonate with their values. By investing in small wood projects, consumers support local artisans and the preservation of traditional craftsmanship, contributing to a culture that values creativity and individuality. Additionally, the aesthetic appeal of small wood furniture and decor cannot be overlooked. Wood, as a natural material, brings warmth and character to any space. The unique grain patterns and textures of different wood types can enhance the overall ambience of a home, creating inviting and cozy environments. Well-crafted wooden pieces serve as focal points that draw attention and admiration, enriching the decor of any room. This aesthetic value adds to the desirability of small wood projects, as homeowners seek to create spaces that reflect their personal style and enhance their living experience. Moreover, small woodworking projects can be an excellent way to practice and refine essential skills. As artisans work on various projects, they learn valuable techniques such as measuring, cutting, sanding, and finishing. This hands-on experience builds a repertoire of skills that can be applied to future projects, creating a strong foundation for continued growth in woodworking. The continuous learning aspect of woodworking fosters a mindset of curiosity and exploration, encouraging individuals to push their boundaries and take on new challenges. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked small wood furniture ideas and mini woodworking projects ideas for profit and home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We'll look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.